You will get an indicator, motor on/off. A logo is attached, and for a sensor, you will get a champion socket. Electric Science is written here, and it is with a 6-month warranty. It will be of 2.5 millimeters and 2.5 feet. And here you will get a float switch with it. And we will put the connection of this switch directly in the sensor, so it will be activated. How to do insulation. You can see here is a tank attached. Now, how to fit a float switch. In this tank, here you can see this is a float switch. You have to see first that, where is the output of the water? It should be above the output a little bit. Okay. The most important part is its yellow colour. This weight. Now, as much as this weight will be below, the less the water will be made. As much weight you raise, the more water will be made. The water will be automatically stopped. We will set it accordingly. We will mark it here and here. One more time. We will definitely put a cable tie so that this weight does not go down. Now here, we will remove this wire by holding it. We will leave as much as the chin mark was done. Now here, we will also put a cable tie so that it does not go inside. Now it is set up. Now, see? Come on, baby. This wire is coming from the side of the motor, and here